Okay guys, I got a 2025 Jeep Compass. I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter. So all you need is a 10 millimeter socket, and you're going to remove these right here. So let's remove those. Okay, you're just going to lift that up, pull it out, and that is the engine air filter. I'll link one in the description. See, this one has a lot of dust and stuff. You probably want to just clean that out right there. So you can either clean this out or buy a new one. Again, I'll link it in the description. And then to put it back together, you just put it back in and put those screws in. You should be good to go. Thanks for watching.